everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie. I hope you all are doing good. And if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, then thank you so much for watching. Ignore my sleepy eyes because I just finished filming 2 videos and this is my third video. Uh, I was tired, but then this is something which I wanted to convey to you guys, so I thought, yes, let's do it. And right now, the time is, let me just show you. So yes, that is the time right now. I'm quite late for my schedule because these days I'm sleeping early and waking up early, but then it's okay. Once in a while I can do it because if I have decided to do something, I have to do it because that is how I'm training my brain these days. So yeah, let me just place my camera somewhere, then I'll get on to the topic. So today I wanted to talk about me time. Me time I feel is very important because I have been religiously following it since more than a year now, and I strongly feel that it has been one of the reasons which keeps me happy throughout the day. So me time is something where you just spend time with your own self with no distractions around, no internet, no mindless scrolling on the phone, no calls, no notifications, no other work, no people around. So it is all about being in your own company and just enjoying your company. So what you can do is just try to find some time in the day where you are just sitting with your own self. I would suggest preferably early in the morning because that is when you have less distractions, less calls, less task assigned to you. So that is the best time, but it could be any time of the day whichever is convenient to you. If not during the day, then maybe even before going to the bed you can just spend some time with your own self, do the things which makes you happy. So in me time you can do anything. It could be reading, writing, taking a walk, or enjoying coffee in the balcony, or just enjoying the nature view in the balcony, or cooking for yourself, or just dancing, or listening to music, painting, could be anything. You don't have to follow a set schedule for every day's me time. You can do multiple things, different things on daily basis. Just the idea of me time is just doing what you like and what is not expected out of you, what is not assigned to you. You just do what your mind tells you, what your heart tells you, what gives you happiness. That is what you do in that me time. Sometimes we get frustrated about the fact that we are not getting time for our own self, right? And whether it's office work or household work, whether you're a working person or a housewife, same case everywhere. Like housewives, they are busy entire day for the family, for the kids, for the housework. Same way for the office, you are busy with your calls, meetings, presentations, and by the end of the day you're tired and you don't have time for your own self. So if your entire day is just going around in the monotonous routine which is assigned to you or which you are supposed to do, then after few years when you look back you will not even know who you are. So it's very important that you have to maintain your individuality, you have to know who you are, and most important, as I told you, have to enjoy your own company. Because if you are able to enjoy your own company, you will be a happy person, and if you are a happy person, only then you can have people around you whom you can keep happy. Also it is said, right, you cannot pour from an empty cup, so you should have something with you to give it to others, right? And if you are able to enjoy your company, then that is the best thing you can ever achieve for yourself. And I strongly feel that it's important to maintain individuality. You should have a life outside your family, friends, relationship, work, colleagues, everybody. You should have some life outside it. Me time is the time where you get to explore yourself, what interests you. This is the time where you just do things just to make yourself happy. Even if you're in relationship, I would suggest that you must definitely have some time. Your life should not revolve around that one person. You should have your life independent of that person, where you know who you are, do the things which gives you joy, whether or not the person, your partner, is around you or not. So you should be able to enjoy your life with your own self, because if you're a happy person, then definitely you will be happy around others also. So it's very important that even if you're in a relationship, that you have some alone time for yourself. And that is all I want to say. There is nothing much to tell here. It's just that try to do something which makes you happy in that particular half an hour or 1 hour of the day. Try to take that 1 hour for yourself. Let's call it a golden hour. So that golden hour should be a selfish time where you don't share it with anybody else. Out of 24 hours, I don't think it would be a big deal for you to just allocate 1 hour for your own self. You have to live for your own peace and happiness, right? So that is the 1 hour which you have to give yourself. You owe it to yourself. Just do anything which makes you happy, be it a big thing or a small task or anything. Just make sure that at the end of the day, when you spend that 1 hour with yourself, you just feel good about yourself. So just try it and you will see it for yourself how happy and how peaceful you become as a person.